Hello dear friends, subscribers, guests of my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to factory reset iPhone and erase all data. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. First we need to go to settings. After that we need to click general and you need to scroll down. And here I need to click transfer or reset iPhone. And here click erase all content and settings. After that you need to click continue and enter your passcode. And that's all. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone. See you later.